Okay, first of all,
go.
hey guys, it's me, Aliyah, and today we are doing something very different. So I took some hacks that I found on Instagram and I put them to the test to see if they really worked. You could probably tell like a little bit different, maybe a little muddy, maybe a little bit crusty, a little bit basic, no lashes, yeah, and you'll see why if you keep watching this video. So let's see if these hacks really work. Please give this video a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you can be notified anytime that I post. And yeah, also guys, all my social media is down in the description box below if you want to follow my Instagram, my Snapchat, add me on Snapchat, or my Twitter. So yeah, let's get started. So the first hack that I found is very never done it before, never seen it before. What I'm doing is finding a way to pluck my eyebrows to get them nice and clean, I guess. But she is spooling her brows upward, so I guess they're like in their natural habitat, being disgusting. And now she gets tape under her eyebrows. So I have a piece of tape. I'm gonna split it. Oh, maybe not. So she puts it under her eyebrow. Why is it so hard for me? This is why I can't do anything. If my eyebrows end up looking stupid, I'm gonna sue. Brushed it up some more again. This is just stupid. I don't know why I'm doing this to myself. Now I put it on top of my eyebrows also. I don't even know what to say about this. I can't even see anything. Why would you do this? So now, to be even more normal, she gets, I dropped my spoolie, hold on. If I look stupid after this, I'm literally gonna cry. So now she colors in her brows with dip brow, so I'm gonna do that. She literally just smudges it everywhere. She literally smudges it. Let me just watch this to make sure. Yep, she literally just. I'm just really trying to make sure I can see. I think now she spoolies them up again. My eyebrow hairs are just so long, it's not even funny. If my eyebrows actually look good after I finish this, I will never complain about Instagram hacks ever again. I'm pretty sure I take it off now. Oh wow. I'm just gonna yank up the baby hairs that I literally spent like 10 minutes gelling down. I look stupid, but I think now I'm supposed to pluck everything that I don't want, which is a lot. So I literally grew out my eyebrows for this. You're welcome. Just kidding, I don't pluck my eyebrows ever. I wasn't growing anything out. I blink my eyes whenever I pluck them, so like I don't actually have to pluck it. I just blink and then the hair gets pulled out. Please be careful with this. These aren't the best. Okay, now for realsies, I'm gonna go get my makeup wipes and then I will take this off and we'll see how it looks. Okay, that one's okay. I'm lightly wiping it off just so I can like kind of keep that tintedness like way better. Wow. That worked really well, actually. Way better than I thought. I'm just gonna pluck a little bit more. Are they symmetrical? No. Have they ever been? No. So it's fine. I would say that one was actually, it worked. Definitely worked. Let me put this makeup wipe back in. And let me do my brows and then we'll go on to the next thing. I'm not going to show my brows on this just because they're not a hack. Hello, we are back. So I did my eyebrows. I think they look pretty good. It kind of feels like after I get them threaded. So next we're gonna do eyeshadow. So I've seen this a couple times. Like instead of doing your eyeshadow where it's like your transition to your next darkest to your next darkest to your deepest, it's like you do the deepest first and you literally just pat it on, chunk, and then you build on the next lightest to the next lightest to the next lightest, and then you blend it all out instead of doing it step by step. So I'll just do it. I suck at describing things. You'll see how weird it is, but hopefully it works. It looks like it works. If it doesn't work, then it's probably just me. First, I'm going to go in with the Day Slayer palette, and I'm going to use the shade Epic, and that's going to be my darkest shade. So I'm going to take it on this small blending brush, and I'm going to literally pack it. So as you can tell, this is not blended at all. So now I'm going to get my Saharan palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to use the shade Jamila, which is this very pretty orangey color, and I'm going to use that to transition, to be like the next transition color out of it. And I'm using the same blending brush, the same little small blending brush. I'm getting a lot so I can pack it on. I want to make this color darker, but I don't really want to use a dark color. I'm going to take Sweet from the Day Slayer palette and also blot that. So I basically just ruined it all. Take Epic and go over the one from Juvia's Place, Jamila, and dot it over. No, I don't give a damn. You keep reminiscing on when you were. And now I'm going to go into my Morphe 35B and get the yellow shade. You're probably not going to be able to see this one, so sorry in advance. So I'm going to get this blending brush right here from Morphe and start blending. Well, I'm really not liking this color combination, but it's blending really well. I'm gonna get some more of the Epic from Morphe from the Day Slayer. I would definitely say that worked really well. Okay, now I'm gonna get my Morphe 35 OS and just top it with a shimmer. That is literally like a perfect blend. That's crazy. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. Now that the eyes are done, I will admit, okay, so it worked pretty well, but I did end up adding more color, like not like how I did, just to make it prettier. It's really a basic look, so I'm sorry. I feel like I could have chosen something better to do, but I didn't really know what to do. So now the next one is going to be very interesting. So basically, we're going to do foundation, but not like we normally see it. It's very strange. So what the lady did was she checkered her foundation with her contour. So that's what we're gonna do. So first she checkered her contour. So I'm gonna use the ABH cream contour because that's what it looked like she used, was like cream-ish. So she goes like this. I feel like I'm ruining everything. Okay, this is gonna be very interesting. I feel like this is gonna look terrible. If this actually looks good, I'm going to be so confused. Now she gets a big old fluffy brush and blends. So, here it goes. I just look terrible. This is not my color. What was the point? I feel like the only purpose of this was just to get attention. I guess well done. That was literally the dumbest and most pointless thing I've ever done. Ever! I don't know why I did that. Now I'm gonna do my concealer and then I'll get back with you. Okay, so I just figured out that one of my hacks is canceled. I was gonna do a nose contouring one. So I'm just gonna have to contour normally. Sigh. So we're gonna do this lipstick hack. So first let me apply it to my mouth. I'm using K from ColourPop, one of my favorites. I'm honestly hating how I'm looking right now. I feel like a disgusting troll. I can't wait to take this off. I'm gonna be honest. Here's the hack. So we're gonna get this tissue and kiss it and see if anything comes off. Okay, well, it was supposed to come off, but it didn't because ColourPop is really great. Okay, I guess we don't need another hack. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I think it turned out pretty trash. I think what messed me up the most was the foundation situation. Ugliest thing I've ever done. It made me look terrible and dirty. Like, it's not for me, so I literally look like a dusty, I look dusty.
You look dusty.
And muddy all at the same time. My eyebrows look pretty good. The eyeshadow looks pretty nice besides the fact that it's basic as crap. The foundation just ruined it. It literally ruined everything. So let me know how you guys thought this went. If you liked this video, please give this video a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can also click the bell button so you'll be notified anytime that I post. Also, let me know if you want me to do more of these videos. It was kind of hard for me to find hacks, but I can definitely try to find more if you guys like this. Sorry it wasn't a lot. It was hard for me to find it, like I just said. But yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.
So I cut you off. I don't need your love, 'cause I already cried enough. I've been